So we're back at the LEX dressing room, and this is where yesterday the door slammed, and there they are. That's the pills that got thrown, the bottle of pills that was thrown.
So,
right in here.
since I'm here, you're not going to do nothing. You're not even going to say nothing. That's chump. Find your space.
Remember me? I was in here yesterday by myself. Doesn't that belong to a... Yeah, that belongs to a woman. Well, there was something in here yesterday.
So you know that I was coming and you just decided to blow you up. No.
What?
So, I'm going to leave. So, I can say I conquered this area? Huh? You're not going to do nothing because my friend is not alone? Huh. That's chump. Okay. Back in here.
My other said, bring it on. That's funny. What?
Holy shit.
You got to be kidding me right now. And you see how far away I'm from the door, right? Look at, ladies and gentlemen, look how far away I'm from the door. He's right here. It just played you. It played you. Didn't you hear it close?
Yes.
Look, I'm way over here. Okay, you gonna ask it anything?
So this is how you play?
You just shut the door right after we left. Oh my God. The second
I
time.
want you to shut it again. Turn my back. Start walking down this hallway.
Oh,
You shut the door.
the camera's going crazy right now. Something making it blink.
You shut the door. Right. Walk down this hallway.
I go backwards.
Come on.
Let the world see you shut the door. Don't do it while our backs are turned.
Shut the door. Oh, you're not going to shut the door. Okay, let's turn it back. We're going to turn it back. I bet you shut the door, right? That's chicken.
What did you say?
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay, we're out.
Go ahead and shut that fucking door.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Wait, what?
How do we get out of here?
This way. To that white door.
That door is shut.
Why would it say Satan?
Holy shit. I don't know.
It just says... Oh no. That's how the door shut then. That would make sense.
That door shut by itself, dude.
That's the second time that happened. Wow. Now you believe me?
Oh,
I was really close to you when that happened. Oh, it's following us now. What'd it say?
after them. Let's go.
Okay, it's telling us something to come after us. It said after them.
I called to the four angels. Come down here and protect us.
I hear something in the hallway.
See that?
There's something coming. I heard something in the hallway.
I got the 4 angels with me now. You want to deal with me now?
Ooh.
That's what he did in my car.
After them. Wow. We're getting too much evil messages. Very evil. Oh, straight through there. That is, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's outside. All right. Yeah. That's what happened before. When it said Satan and we couldn't find our way out. Now we're having trouble finding our way. That's what we saw in the Grand Theater, something bright on the stage. Want to go check out the stage real fast? That's music.
Is this the stage?
Huh?
The stage.
Yeah, that's the stage over there. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were here, you would go through the experiences we just went through just now. Yeah.
We were walking and that door shut by itself.
Luckily, it's shut today. Yesterday, it slammed on me. It told me to get out. Yep.
I couldn't believe it. I was walking back like this.
Turn around and the door's closed. And then it said Satan. That's the other. Get them.
Yeah.
Wow.
Was it you? Was that you?
No, that was really close.
Was that you?
No, that was not me.
That wasn't you?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
No.
I'm very
Oh, shit.
sure. What did it say?
Ella.
Ella.
No, it was good.
Holy crap.
Here, calm down. Gotta find out.
Jeez.
Holy shit.
Let's go. Wow.
You didn't do that?
No. You didn't see me just run towards you? It's all on video. Don't worry. I ran right towards you. I went real close to your shoulder, if you haven't noticed. It was right, it knocked right next to me. I'm like, whoa, what the hell?